Email verification failed on Plus Fix. If you're creating a Plus account and your email verification isn't working, don't panic. Most users face this, but the solution is usually simple once you know what to check. Start by confirming your email address is correct. Even one typo, extra space, or missing character can prevent the verification email from being sent. Accuracy is key. Next, check all email folders, including spam, junk, and promotions. Automated emails from Plus are often filtered incorrectly, especially by Gmail, Outlook, or Yahoo. Once you locate the verification email, click the link promptly, since it can expire quickly. If the email hasn't arrived, request a new verification link from Plus. This fixes the problem for most users. Browser or device issues can also cause problems. Clear your browser cache, try a different browser, or use this mobile app to ensure proper delivery of the verification email. Email providers sometimes block automated messages. If this happens, consider signing up with a different email address, preferably Gmail or Outlook, which handle verification emails more reliably. Finally, if none of these steps work, contact Plus support. Describe the problem and the steps you've tried. Support can manually verify your account, allowing you to start trading immediately. Remember, double-check your email, inspect all folders, resend the link if needed, try a different browser or device, and contact support if necessary. Following these steps usually resolves email verification issues quickly, giving you full access to Plus.